Alright. So we have in front of ourselves 4 examples. We have the man, the myth, the Kenergistic one himself. We have Miguel O'Hara, the greatest hater of African Americans in the Spider-Verse. We have Homelander, as portrayed by Anthony Starr. At least a variation of Homelander. Granted, not my Homelander. And of course, the man, the shitter, the dog man, Rorschach himself. Be an intended mockery of your political rival's ideology, become more popular than the good guys, end up undermining the film and show's subversive themes, become a cult figure. This is a common occurrence on the internet. We can use Kenergy as a perfect case example. For many people, at least here in the case it's obvious, technically, all 4 of these characters come from a product that was intended as a rug pull. Spider-Verse is a part of a 3-part series that specifically was created to insult fans and to try and establish Miles Morales as a character outside the canonity that he's had so far. Barbie is a rug pull. The Boys, after season 1, rug pull, especially when you started pushing in contemporary politics, because why would we care about being faithful to the adaptation when we can just simply do whatever the fuck we want and just have zany shit for the purpose of having zany shit? And of course, everybody knows how Alan Moore felt about comic book heroes when he wrote Watchmen. But the philosophy example here is actually pretty straightforward when you really think about it. People like interesting characters. Really, for some people, they look at Ken and they're like, my new personality! The best thing I can tell you, artists, is if you really go forward with the idea that you're going to embarrass some people on Twitter, you might just end up making a new cult classic. Just saying.